Okay, let us see how to put values in a row or a column fast in Excel. If you have the data like this and you want to put all in from rows to column or column to row, there is a simple formula which goes like to call, select the values which you want to enter, and just close the parentheses. Here we go. If you see, all the rows are being converted into the columns. Similarly, if you want to change it to rows, if you want to see those rows instead of columns, you can add row to row, select the columns, and everything will be displayed in one row. Here we go.